In this video from Device Doctor, if your Epson printer pulls paper but does not print and the paper light turns on, this is not a paper jam. The real problem is the paper sensor, and I will show you how to fix it using the adjustment program.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Let us first check the problem. When I send a print command, the printer receives it normally. Then it pulls the paper inside, but suddenly it pushes the paper back out. After that, the paper light turns red and starts blinking just like a paper jam error. For the first step to fix this problem, turn off the printer and wait until it is completely powered off. Then turn on the printer again and wait until the printer is ready. Now the printer is ready. Place the paper on the paper tray. Now open the L8050 adjustment program. You can find the download link in the description. Please note that the file is available on Telegram, so you need a Telegram account to download it, and it is completely free. The process is very simple. Just follow the steps shown in this video. First, after opening the program, select your printer port.
Important note: disable your antivirus. Before opening the file, ensure that your antivirus software is turned off. Antivirus may delete the file. If your antivirus is active, it may automatically detect the file as a virus and delete it.
Now open the particular adjustment mode option. Now open the photo sensor light adjustment option. Now send a print command once for the PW sensor and the PE sensor. Great! Now go to the cleaning section and send a Nozzle Check command to the printer. Check if the problem is fixed. So this was the complete solution for the problem where the printer pulls the paper, but does not print and shows a blinking paper light. As you saw, this issue is not always a paper jam. In many cases, the main cause is the paper sensor, and we fixed it using the adjustment program. If you are facing the same problem, just follow these steps carefully and your printer should work perfectly again. If the problem is still not solved, it may require physical checking of the sensor or internal parts. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more professional printer solutions. Thank you for watching.